Today, a Zimbabwean daily newspaper, the Newsday, reports that Zimbabwe's local currency, the ZiG, continues to collapse as the supermarket prices spike. As very much in Zimbabwe, we all know that yes, apana munhu asingafariri development munyika make. But tinoona kuti vanhu vanenge vachicriticize vachiti yes, we can rig my elections, we can rig kana kujuta vanhu ma streets, but vari kuuya vachiti the economy you can never rig it. Sana bina mashuka nobuda nyogwa panapa noti subscribe or like turn on the bell icon. Tipina mnaomanyo kwa mjinzi why this has been caused by the corrupt president and his regime, and I will explain why. Zimbabwean tyrant Mnangagwa runs criminal networks that loot public funds using public procurement system known as tenders. For instance, he allowed internet servers brought for $4.5 to be sold to the state for 1.5 million. That is a profit of 33,344% looted from the state in just one transaction. Tukona kuti hopo chimona ari kubuditsa nhau iyi achiendera mberi achiti what currency can save off such looting as public funds are diverted and trust in the government declines. The value of the local currency decreases, leading to inflation. This is the basic economics. So in summary, widespread corruption such as the example of the internet servers causes significant economic damage, leading to the decline in the value of local currency and the rising prices in supermarkets. How anybody can think that such a man must get third term in something only psychiatrists can deal with. Domba shukwarukia pana pachitogwa na upo chungono achiti aiwa chinjuru there is a decline in this ZiG, the Zimbabwe currency inodiwa nevanhu securrency yavo. Taona vanhu vatu accepta inhau yecorruption yavari kuti aiwa mugovernment umu mune vanhu maministers ari kuita corruption watiri kuona uri kuonekwa pachena zviri kuita kuti aiwa this currency yakaiswa nemutungamiri wenyika idecline iende down. Kuti mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mina kumesection medu musaona subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.